Generative AI is like having a computer that can create things. Imagine telling a computer to draw a cat and it actually draws one. That's what generative AI can do. It learns patterns from data, like images or text, and then uses that knowledge to generate new, original content. This technology is changing the world as we know it. From creating realistic images and videos to composing music and writing stories, generative AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The potential applications of generative AI are limitless. In healthcare, it can help develop new drugs and therapies. In entertainment, it can create immersive gaming experiences and personalized content. Learning about generative AI today means being at the forefront of this exciting revolution. It's an opportunity to shape the future and be a part of something truly transformative. Neural networks are the brains behind generative AI. They are complex algorithms inspired by the human brain. These networks are made up of interconnected nodes or neurons that process and transmit information. By training on vast amounts of data, neural networks can learn to recognize patterns and make predictions. This ability to learn from data is what makes them so powerful for generative tasks. One fascinating type of neural network used in generative AI is the Generative Adversarial Network, or GAN. GANs consist of two networks that work together, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates new data, while the discriminator tries to distinguish between real and generated data. This constant back and forth pushes both networks to improve, resulting in increasingly realistic and sophisticated outputs. Learning generative AI might seem daunting, but it's more accessible than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, start with the basics. Familiarize yourself with the fundamental concepts of machine learning and deep learning. Next, explore online courses. Platforms like Coursera offer comprehensive courses on generative AI, taught by leading experts. Then, experiment with code. Get hands-on experience with popular generative AI frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. And lastly, join online communities. Connect with fellow learners and experts in online forums and communities dedicated to AI. Remember, learning any new skill takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself, stay curious, and embrace the learning process. Online tutoring via Zoom offers an effective and convenient way to learn generative AI. Here are some practical tips to make the most of your online learning experience. First, find a qualified tutor. Look for tutors with expertise in generative AI and experience in online teaching. Second, set up a dedicated learning space. Choose a quiet and well-lit area where you can focus without distractions. Third, actively participate. Ask questions, engage in discussions, and don't hesitate to seek clarification. And finally, use Zoom's features. Take advantage of features like screen sharing, recording, and the chat box to enhance your learning. By following these tips and approaching your online tutoring sessions with enthusiasm, you'll be well on your way to mastering generative AI.
That a great video that was generated by InVideo? There are more different scenarios where you can use generative AI to create fantastic videos and different prompts that you can give to personalize whatever endeavor that you are trying to achieve success in. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, share this video with others. If you are looking for a private tutor to help you with generative AI, whether it's writing a book, whether it is creating ad copy for your niche or anything to that nature, hop on the computer and go on to onlinetutorhouse.com. You can also access it from your phone. Feel free to go on there and look at how you can get started, or you can do a practice tutorial that is totally free. All right, I'll see you in the next video.